You see, as I have mentioned or spoken inside the house, that you see, you'll find not only once, but many a time, the executive will try, often uses the sub judice provision in the rule as an excuse, you know, to avoid debates, to avoid embarrassment, to avoid accountability, and also to delay political debates. So you see, even the courts have repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred unless you interfere with the adjudication of the court. So there are issues, you know, that we can discuss, and there are issues which we are not supposed to discuss. So, but the government has always hide itself under this provision. It's quite unfortunate because the issue that we raise is, of huge public importance. You know, the loss of lives, and it is counting. It is not that all the bodies have been retrieved. We want to know exactly how many miners are there, because those recovered bodies that the government have shown officially were not limited to the numbers that the government have given, right? We are trying to get the information from the local people, and we are trying to inquire, like normally how many miners are used to be to work in one coal mines. So we were told that normally 60 to 70%, that is minimum. So if two coal mines were blasted, were collapsed, so do you think as responsible leader or a public representative will be satisfied with the figures given by the government? We want to know whether the government has got the statistics or not from those people whom they have arrested, whether they have inquired how many miners are there on that uh, you know that that day where the unfortunate incident took place. You see, going by the records of the outcomes, you know, from these commission being constituted by the government from time to time. Latest, the commission constituted to find out the reason that led to the killing of the former general secretary of the HNLC. Where is the outcome? Where have we, reached? So, going by the records, going by the history, we feel that we cannot expect much from this commission.